I love tattoos. I have one here on my arm. It's of a wolf. It's got two eyes, just because when I was born I had two eyes. The yellow, just because I had liver problems when I was little. And it's got 11 whiskers. You can't really see them, but they represent a difficult year that I had up until I was 11. And there's 11, so every year was pretty difficult. But as you can see, every story has a tattoo.
Hi, my name is Steve Tapa Mahe, and I'm Tongan. I got my tātatau or my tattoos done basically just to represent who I am as a Tongan, but also something to reflect my culture and also my identity. My left arm basically is made up of Samoan, Tongan and Marquesan. I got Samoan patterns put into my tattoo just to represent my partner due to the fact that she's of Samoan descent. The rest of my patterns are made up of Tongan patterns, which are the Tokelau Wheletoa, but also the Manulua, and also Marquesan. For me, it was important to have these patterns on me due to the fact that they're quite distinctive Tongan patterns. The main reason why I love my tattoos is it basically represents who I am as a Pacific Islander, but most importantly as a Tongan. I carry them with me wherever I go, so if I'm here in New Zealand, obviously it's identity, but if I'm overseas abroad, I carry my ink with me not only inside of me, but also on my skin, which reflects my culture. And that's the main thing, is to keep my culture alive.